Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. Well, I'm glad you guys are joining me for this live. And today, it's morning over here in LA, and I'm getting my coffee. And I was wondering, why do we put off things? Why do we procrastinate? Yes, I know you can go on Google and read up on all the reasons we put off things. The goal is so big, we are unmotivated, all kinds of things. But then I was thinking, why do we really, really, really procrastinate? Hi, thanks for joining me. Tell us where you're from in the comments. So, I really wanted to get to the root of why we put off things. And one exercise I know to do is every time you're trying to get to the root of a personal development issue is to ask why. Why not? And you have to drill down to almost 7 levels of asking why. Every time you get an answer, you ask why again. So with a piece of paper and a pen, get that issue you've been putting off, and ask yourself, why have you put it off? First, you'll say maybe lack of time. Then ask yourself why again. Then maybe you'll say lack of money. Then keep asking why. You'll end up somewhere where maybe it's fear, or just the inability to just do things. Some things just need to get done, and it's not the money, it's not the lack of motivation, it's none of that, but the little root at the bottom is maybe, I don't know, laziness or something. So procrastination can hinder you in every possible way. Hi, Justin. Thanks for joining. Procrastination can hinder you in all kinds of ways because of the illusion of the things we think we may need. How about if you just go ahead and do it? How about if you have faith that as you do what you think is logical to do in this moment, the next door will open as you go along, So this video, I guess the encouragement here is, find that thing you need to do. You've put off for a long time, but it's necessary to do. Find the logical step that you can do right now, then start doing it. Yes, because sometimes when we look at the whole spectrum of things that need to get done to get to where we are going, it may look so big and we fail to start. But take it just a day at a time. Pick one thing that you can do towards where you're going, and that should help, because sometimes we just assume. Do you know that there are projects you can have that you've sat on maybe for 5 years? Is it really the money? Maybe not. Is it really lack of motivation, and you say in those 5 years you were not motivated at some point? If you were motivated, you chose to put your motivation somewhere else, So you keep thinking about these things, and you realize procrastination it's a dream stealer. It steals dreams. So face it, pick that project that you want, and get started. Let's see here who is on the line. Hi, Adam. Welcome. Brenda, welcome. Justin is saying, pray for me. Okay. Yes, Justin. Yes, fear is a real issue when it comes to the transitioning from 9 to 5 to self-employment. You need your faith has to be built, and you have to work through your fears. If you go to lifethenfinance.com, I wrote an article there. I'll post it below. It's called Transitioning from 9 to 5, Dealing with Fear and Anxiety. I know that because I dealt with that many years ago when I was transitioning from corporate to owning my own business. I was so afraid. I would wake up at night anxious. But then it was the idea that I was doing something different, the idea that I was breaking away from the pack that made me so scared. But as I went down working through each fear one at a time, you come to find that you can invalidate all of them, especially when you have a plan and you transition slowly. For example, in Justin's case, you can start building that retail business while you're at work, and you start transitioning through slowly. Hi, John Paul. Glad to see you here. So you can build that business and you start transitioning slowly. So the more the business works out, the more confidence you'll get, and you start working out, all those little things of, do I have the proper suppliers? If I need to make a change, am I employing the right people? Did I train them? So you'll be okay. But anyway, the topic for today is work out that procrastination so that your dream is not killed. Let me see here. Okay, you're right, because I've been having sleepless nights. Yes, Justin, it happens to the best of us. So don't feel like you're failing. No, there are many emotions that come with doing something different. Yes, you will encounter all kinds of new challenges that will test your abilities, and guess what? You'll grow through them. There'll be lessons, there'll be stepping stone to the next level. So just deal with one issue at a time. Just remember, you're moving from one level to another, and God himself is guiding and protecting you and showing you the way, and he'll bring the right people to guide you through every level as you go. Well, guys, I better go. It's nice chatting with you always. It's Mother Ego here. I love you. Take care. Bye.